the first part, digit numbers complete. Let's see now second part, place values in expanded form numbers. Okay, how can expanded form numbers? So first, very important, read the number 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. यानी कि this is number is 22 crore 1 22 crore 12 lakh 54,348. In how can note place value? So always first stand numbers called ones, second number stand called tens, third is called 100, fourth stand place of value called 1000, 4000. Five called 10,000. Next, lakh, 2 lakh. Next, place value comes 1, 10 lakh, 2 crore, and last 10 crore. 2, 10 crore. Again repeat. 8 ones, 4 tens, 300, 4 place value 1000, 5 10,000, 2 lakh, 1 10 lakh, 2 crore, and last 2 10 crores. This expanded form numbers. Now write down in numbers. Now for 2 10 crore to show, $20 crore, 2 crore, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. यानी कि 2 crore plus 1 10 lakh. तो of course here 10, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 2 lakh, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 2 lakh, 5, 10,000. तो of course 50,000. 4,000, 300 plus 40 plus 8. This write down in numbers. Of course 8 ones number तो only singular number, 4 tens number तो of course 2 digit number 1 0 10. तो show here 40 40. Like here given the 5 tens, तो of course here number come the 50. Otherwise 7 तो show 70. 3 place value 100 तो 3 100. Like here given the 500 to show 500, 8 to show 800. 4,000, 4,000. Suppose here given the 2. Suppose here 2,000. This by here 50,000, 2 lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 20 crore. Now again here write down the numbers. 22 crore. 22 crore. Suppose here 20 crores in add 2 crore to make the 22 crores. 10 lakh, 2 lakh. The 10 lakh and 2 lakh add to so complete here 12 lakh. 50,000 and 4,000. The 50,000 and 4,000 of course 54,000 and 348. यानी कि 300 to so only 3. 40 plus 8 so 48. Complete 22 crore, 12 lakh, 54,348. That is complete example expanded form numbers. Okay, now third step. Look here. Third step is Indian systems and international systems numbers. Already here given the two charts. One for Indian system, another for international systems. Indian systems in total 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. First is ones, thousand, lakhs and crore. International system in ones, thousand and million. 3 parts. So now explain. Ones in 1, tens, 100. Same to same. International in ones in 1, tens, 100. Second part thousands, thousands. The thousand in thousand and 10,000. The same to same international system chart in thousand and 10,000. Lakhs. Lakhs here, lakhs and also 10 lakhs. In lakhs, so international system in called 100,000. यानी कि Indian here very important Indian system and international system in 10,000 to same number comes. But when changing 1 lakh to changing in international system numbers. Of course, now explain one by one. 1 lakh to show international in called 100,000. 100,000 of course 100 in 3 digit number. So here divide 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 numbers in divide 100,000. 10 lakh. International system in 10 lakh called 1 million. Of course 3 part here divide and also here 1 million. Crore. Indian system in crore and international system in crore made the 10 million. So of course 3 part here also 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh, crore. यानी कि इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम इन कॉल्ड 10 million. So here 2 parts in divide and 10 million so only 2 number here type. Last 10 crores. 10 crores 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores and 10 crores international system in called 100 million. 100 million of course 3 numbers come. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 parts in divide 100. So this by Indian system and international system. Complete here chart. Let's see now here. Indian system and international systems. Write down the numbers. So Indian systems, international system. Okay, one given here numbers and how can write down in numbers. 50,148 Indian system. International system same to same numbers come because 10,000 to same comes the number. Suppose here same number 50,148. Okay, second lakh 5,44,340. So this write down in numbers. 5 lakh 44,000 340. Now write down in international system. International system in first put the comma. Of course here 1 lakh. So 1 lakh convert in 100,000. So this how can read? So first read 544,340. Again repeat 544,340. Now write down in numbers. Name 544,000 because 100,000. Three hundred 40. Okay. Last number same to same write down. Only very change 1000 add. International in more add here 1000 and keep 544,340. This complete here 2 example. Next here third. Directly here given the now. One, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Of course, sir, now write down the number names. 20, 1 crore, 13 lakh, 30 lakhs, 20, 22,000, 22,100, 45. Okay, now write down in international system. So first this number in put the comma. Of course, 21 crore. So 21 crore 13 lakh 22,145. So of course international in 100 million terms. So 20 okay 100 million. So 3 number in part 1 2 3 यानी कि 145 322 211. So see this by first put the comma. Now write down numbers next. This way put the comma and write down the numbers next.